One, two. Hi guys, welcome to SFC 15.
Hi, hi, hi.
Whoa. Hi. This is Shovik Bhattacharya. There is Anil, and we are SFC 15, in which we talk about stand-up football and cricket, which was supposed to be for 15 minutes, but we never followed the timeline. So, so last week we did some predictions, guys, and again we said ki we will be regular. So we are here. That is
We
tomorrow.
made the promise.
We made the promise. Save the channel, guys. Save the channel. Save the
Save
channel.
the channel. Hashtag, yeah, please save the channel. We made our promise. We kept our promise. You also keep your promise. Save our channel.
Save a channel. There is one guy who commented saving the channel. Okay. So I personally
Ah,
followed
I
and
know.
gave
Yeah,
him
I
money.
saw in the last
I
video.
gave him money also. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Oh,
Turned out
you
it to
gave
be
him money or you gave him bitcoins?
no, money. Bitcoin, I don't have that. Okay. So I was like, cool. Gave me money. And then I realized, oh, it was my fake profile.
Okay.
Just
So
transferred
whom
into
did you
my.
give money for?
If you transferred into my
Your
account,
own account, huh?
yeah, my account.
Oh,
I am the
oh my
actual
God.
scammer. Scam 9
Oh, scam
2021. Oh,
21. अरे शौविक मेहता क्या
oh,
बात है.
talking about scam, let's talk about Euros.
Let's talk about UEFA, not
UEFA,
just
UEFA,
Euros.
Euros, or anything, or
So I
any
get
yeah.
so we've been following Euros very closely. Like we said, we'll make predictions. We'll review our predictions, and we'll go on with the further the next match day predictions as well. And we'll be regular throughout this tournament. Tournament we'll follow it up closely. So Shavik, you liked Euros? You're enjoying it? अभी तक कैसा लगा तेरे को?
Abhi tak Euros has been the first week has been apart from that unfortunate incident which we'll talk about later, but it was good. Like
Okay.
it is like the expectations are good. Am really liking the matches where there are countries which we didn't think like right now the
That they will perform
uh,
like that.
perform like that. The smaller teams matches are very aggressive. Like you're seeing that match, like okay, they're fighting and all that's happening. But
The spirit is there.
yeah, the spirit is there. Like a lot of other like Poland and Slovakia, on those countries were also like the matches were very tough. Like yesterday, Turkey and Wales, that was rugby straight away.
Fantastic
Like
match.
that was
Yeah.
I could not. Okay, talking about another match, like like Bale was like, dude, you cannot hit penalty this close. Like what was that? Why did you hit there? The goal is not 2 floors above, but Bale, he will do that. And Turkey ka defense was like really there was uh because my father is watching in Hindi commentary right now because
In Sony
I
10 too. Yeah.
and
I
I
was also
hate
watching
Hindi
Hindi comment.
commentary. I'm hating Hindi because Hindi commentary में कैसा रहता है बोलो they're doing like cricket bro. Like issue कैसा हो रहा है बोलो तो they are thinking it's an IPL. So
हाँ कि मतलब बीच में अभी पवन मेहरा से एक ट्वीट आया है कि पवन मेहरा ये पूछ रहे हैं कि भैया रोनाल्डो ने कोको कोला का बॉटल हटाया था तो
क्यों?
उसका क्या मतलब हो
और
सकता है.
and they are like they want to do something they are like abhi they want to gossip about something. So there was a guy who was like there were two people commentary. I don't know who the hell was like those guys. They were like
या
one
वन
guy
ऑफ देम इज शुक्ला आई रिमेंबर.
yeah. So one guy was saying कि तो आपको ये दोनों में आपको कौन सा टीम जीतेगा लग रहा है like which team will win.
हाँ
And then the guy
हाँ.
said टीम कोई भी जीते आज फुटबॉल जीतेगा. Now he played safe, like how IPL, like IPL, we cannot
Yeah, I
take
know.
teams because DL IPL will be like, hey, like this is cricket,
ए
bro.
एकदम ठोकेगा हाँ.
Hey.
But it is so
And no,
contrasting,
no, no.
you
Then
watch
there is,
English
I'll
commentary.
tell you.
हाँ.
Sorry, it continued. Then the other guy
Oh.
said because he's like, oh, Hindi, it's like Kavi Sammelan. He was like, oh, man,
हाँ अब
how
इसका तो जवाब देना पड़ेगा.
how you take? Then he was like, मैं टीम सेलेक्ट करने से आप प्रेडिक्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं. आपका जब आप मैच देखते हैं, जब आपको कोई फेवरेट टीम होता है ना, तो मैं उस हिसाब से आपको पूछ रहा हूँ. मैं आपको छोड़ूंगा नहीं. फिर से मैं आपको पूछ रहा हूँ, which is
अरे
your
कि
favorite
कौन
team?
जीतेगा.
And again, this guy is like, आज कोई भी जीते, but मेरे लिए फुटबॉल ही
फुटबॉल
जीतेगा.
जीतेगा. अरे
And
भैया.
I just paused it as like, I have a Sony Live
आई थिंक
subscription.
उसके बाद ही एरिक्सन कोलैप्स हो गया. वो सुन के एरिक्सन कोलैप्स हुआ.
Is that I cannot
Till
do
then
Hindi
एरिक्सन
commentary,
वाज
guys.
फाइन.
But
No, but so contrasting, huh? English commentary, they're so focused on the game, on the players, on the statistics, on the coach, on the
Yes.
audience. ये अपना हिंदी
कुछ भी
commentary आते ही भैया
अपना एजेंडा चला रहे हैं। कल yesterday का मैच टर्की वर्सेस वेल्स हो रहा था। सो ये बेल हैं, और बेल लास्ट ईयर काफी कंट्रोवर्सी में थे क्योंकि उन्होंने गोल्फ को क्रिकेट से फुटबॉल से ज्यादा मान लिया था, और तो
मैड्रिड से मान्य था।
मैड्रिड से मान लिया था, और रियल मैड्रिड में वो बहुत ही अभी सफर हो रहे हैं। अभी वो विदाउट टीम के साथ कहीं बैठे हुए हैं। मुझे तो पता नहीं। आई एम लाइक, जब तक बेल 4
भाई
पासेस
वो
कर दिया, 2 गोल दी ट्राई,
2 गोल हो भी चले गया,
खुद
हाफ टाइम
का
भी हो
बिचिंग।
गया।
हाँ, आप बिचिंग करते रह
हाँ,
रहे फुटबॉल के बारे में। एंड इन हिंदी, लेकिन इंग्लिश कमेंट्री, इवन दो इंग्लिश कमेंट्री इज वेरी फास्ट पेस, लाइक फुटबॉल इज फास्ट, लाइक फुटबॉल फास्ट पेस एंड ऑल,
फास्ट।
बट दे टेक अ पॉज. They are like, if there is nothing happening, they are taking a pause. Okay, but these people are like,
हाँ, या
these people are something
बस
like,
चपड़ चपड़
yes,
चल रहा है, चल रहा है, चल रहा है,
right,
चल रहा है, चल रहा है, बस भैया क्या बोल रहे हैं, क्यों बोल रहे हैं, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है भाई। लीविंग अस डेनमार्क, इनका उनका छोड़ के ना, दे टॉक रैंडम शिट डूड,
random
दे
stuff.
रिलेट एनीथिंग टू एवरीवेयर,
ये
एनीथिंग टू
yes,
एवरीवेयर।
ये इसके प्लेयर हैं, और वहाँ क्लॉप ने उनको सिखाया था कि ये करो, वैसा करो। वो, और क्लॉप क्या ही प्लेयर है, मतलब क्लॉप तो क्या ही कोच है, उन्होंने लिवरपूल को
बस
कहाँ
क्या
से
ही मैनेजर, क्या
आई
ही
एम
है।
लाइक,
हाँ,
ये
सर
यूरोस
ये
चल
यूरो
रहा है,
चल रहा है।
यूरोस चल रहा है। एंड ऑल्सो दिस इज
नहीं, द
समथिंग
प्रॉब्लम
लाइक,
इज, यू नो व्हाट
सॉरी,
द इशू इज, हाँ, नो नो, द इशू इज कि भाई ये लोग, they don't take players and put them in
हाँ,
Hindi commentary. They
राइट,
just take studio presenters and they put in
करेक्ट।
कि भाई बको।
और बीच में कभी कभी
अब
ऐसा बोल देना ऑफ साइड,
unnecessarily,
बीच में ऑफ साइड बोल देना, ओ ऑफ साइड, ओ शिट, ऑफ साइड था ये। ओके, बस ऐसा
हाँ
ऐसा 2-3 फुटबॉल टर्म्स बोल देना। ओ
बोल
ये
देना बस, हाँ
मिडफील्डर
बीच
है,
में ऑफसाइड, ओ ये मिडफील्डर है, ये अटैकर है, अटैक करते हुए, आक्रमण करते हुए, आक्रमण
आक्रमण
करते
कर, और
हुए।
क्या ही पास दिया डिफेंडर ने, हाँ सॉरी, मिडफील्डर ने।
हाँ,
ये क्या है, ये टैकल, क्या ही टैकल दिया डिफेंडर ने, वाओ। ये तो क्रिकेट की मुझे समझ आ रही है, क्रिकेट जैसा दिख रहा है।
समझ आ रही है, हाँ हाँ एग्जैक्टली, दे कंपेयर द गेम विद क्रिकेट डूड, दे
लाइक,
कंपेयर द गेम विद क्रिकेट, इट्स लाइक
या,
ओ
लाइक,
मैन भाई,
एंड द वर्स्ट,
बहुत घटिया है।
and this you would know because this is something called in a call center terms, this is something called a dead air. They don't want to have dead air.
या
I'm
या
like,
या
ये
एग्जैक्टली,
call, ये कॉल
it's
सेंटर नहीं
just
है
like
सर,
कि भाई
ये
dead air बोलते ही, it's like, you know, you we used to have that parameter in call
करेक्ट
center कि if there is dead air for more than
for
5
3
seconds,
seconds,
then it is a red call,
talk
it
something,
is a red call,
yeah,
कि मतलब you're, हाँ exactly, so they just keep on talking, they just keep on talking, but see, we all know, I mean, with all due respect, Hindi, yeah, but yeah, football commentary I only love in English, not in
yes,
Hindi, not even in Spanish or Italian, भाई
no,
बहुत घटिया
Katia, they are
English
like,
commentary।
yes, and English commentary are too, like, and particularly English commentary, because English people are too brutal, like, I'm
Yeah,
like, oh shit, they are
yeah,
like, there's some kick-ass lines, like, yeah, they have been kick-ass comment, like how, like, again, we always discuss about that match, like Brazil versus Germany, and the
हाँ वो वर्ल्ड
it's
कप वाला ना,
it's the match which is great, but उसके बाद वो जलने के ऊपर वो जो commentary है, oh
वो
my
नमक
god,
छिड़क के कर
oh
रहे
my
थे
god, like, it is
यार,
like Brazil has been humiliated in their own grounds. We never,
ये
and
in
where
the
is the
own
Brazilian
grounds,
defense?
yeah,
Where is the Brazilian defense? Oh, Ozil, everybody will hit a goal now. Oh my god, like, this is a where is the Brazilian defense? And then the Brazilian hit a goal. Oscar hits a goal, and he is like, I have never seen a goal
yeah.
celebrated in my life. I don't know Brazilian. Like, burns here, sir. Burns here. Burns here. I have never seen a goal less
That
celebrated in my
one
life.
goal.
So let's talk about celebrations,
I
guys.
know.
Let's talk about the Euros predictions.
Yes.
I know a lot of people, if you want to see what of predictions we did, we would like you to go to a previous video so हमारा view बढ़े, but I know you won't. You're like, चल. So हमने आपके लिए, we know the customer, we know audience का pulse, माक audience pulse తెలుసు. So so we know
So
audience
we made something. I mean, Shavik made something.
no issues. We all made something. So we made something like predictions that we did last week. So let's talk
Prediction
about
table.
that. Oh my God.
Oh my God. Oh my God. It looks so. Oh, it looks एकदम Sony Live पे आया है ये तो.
cut.
एकदम
Brand,
बढ़िया.
brand. Sony Liv मत
Oh
बोलो.
shit, I'm sorry.
It's
हाँ sir,
Sony
sorry,
not
मैंने
Liv.
माफ कीजिए.
Sony
It's
Sony
Sony
not
not
Liv.
live. Hashtag Sony not live.
Sony not Liv. Because they will not let us live.
Copyright is also such a horrible thing, na?
Horrible thing. Yeah. Just like Super League. But
Okay,
okay,
here we go.
let's let's talk about
Let's
this.
talk our predictions.
Yes. So
These
Turkey
are
versus
match day one
Italy.
predictions.
Yeah, this is
Hmm.
week 1 predictions. Abhi 2 matches ho gaye hain,
Yeah.
but those matches we really didn't care
Ah.
about so much. So we will talk about that in the
Yeah.
next week. But these are the matches that happened last week, and so let's talk about the first match with Turkey versus Italy. We confidently said that Italy will win, and that happened
And Italy also won confidently.
very confidently with the first self goal. The first goal was a self goal, and we were like, and it was a, I don't know, it was a dance form that he was doing. Did you see the self goal?
Yeah. I saw the
I-
first match tha na, dekha main.
Yeah, I don't know how it was defending. Like it was like why it was defending. How could
वो
it
मतलब
deflect a
आधा
ball?
वो डर के मार दिया वो.
Ah,
आधा वो
the-
डर के ही मारा जैसा लगा वो. But
and
Italy won confidently, man. In spite
yes.
of that own goal, they won 3-0. It was very convincing win. ऐसा
Yes.
नहीं time pass win था वो. They dominated, right?
Yeah, in the second half they dominated too much. Like in the first half, Turkey was playing like
Too
Turkey
much.
football. Like Turkey football is like hitting the
Hmm.
player, kill the player, shoot the player,
Kill the player.
people.
Yes, I know.
That is what they do. That is what they believe
Exactly.
in. Because they are like Turkish league is like we'll kill the people, then we will think about the match, like if we can play or not. So but Italy was like, oh, they showed the masterclass, like, no, this is how you can take, no, आप
How
ball
you
ले
can,
सकते हैं
yeah,
ऐसा.
yeah. हाँ, ऐसा टैकल करके लिया जा सकता है. एंड
हाँ.
इटली का तो भाई डिफेंस मास्टर क्लास
Defense,
भाई
yes,
क्या ही बोले.
masterclass, and they were playing super. उनका
Yeah.
एक वो कुछ हुआ था गोल पोस्ट के पास, they tried to do something. कुछ एक referee was like, hey,
क्या?
ऐसा नहीं कर सकते. Like that, वो थोड़ा like from the pole, from the goal post you have to hit the ball, right? So वो लोग क्या किए, वो तो थोड़ा
हाँ.
सामने वाला थोड़ा small kick करके और एक somebody was trying to take the ball, and the goal and the referee was like, hey, which football you are playing?
ये क्या है ये क्या?
football है ये? You won the World Cup, guys.
क्या एक वर्ल्ड कप
Please.
क्या नहीं खेले? रूल्स भूल गए तुम
Rules
साले.
भूल गए क्या? So rules से याद आया, let's talk about the next match, which is Wales versus Switzerland. We confidently said that we will see. Nobody
Wales will
watched the
win.
match. Wales will win, but वो भी नहीं जीत पाए वो लोग. स्विट्जरलैंड के साथ भी नहीं
Draw
जीत
के.
पाए.
And you know
Draw.
what? First goal Switzerland मारा. No, actually first goal Switzerland मारा. बाद में second half में somewhere वो कीफर मोर और some player he वेल्स में वो कहीं चैंपियनशिप में खेलता है लेवल मतलब प्रीमियर लीग के बाद वाला लेवल में खेलता है वो प्लेयर कीफर मोर. He scored and तब जाके वेल्स बचा.
Wales
So
बचा.
all in all I would say boring match.
Boring
मेरे
match.
को उतना
too
मजा
boring.
कुछ नहीं आया उसमें.
मतलब मैंने highlights भी
Yeah.
pause forward कर करके देखा ये match.
देख exactly तो तभी समझ जाइए.
Then the third match was the most controversial, or I think it was a very unfortunate incident which happened on
Heartbreaking,
football
painful.
field. Yeah, painful. Denmark versus Finland, and so yeah. So I have never seen a player falling down in a pitch like that, which was little this, and again Christian Eriksen, like the fittest player,
And he's one of the classiest and one
yes.
of the most ऐसा भी नहीं है कि he's not got that reputation of that Pepe or Ramos की भाई जाके पैर अड़ा के तोड़ के करता. He's
Right.
honest. He's like a proper sportsman.
Correct.
And he's a very classy player. And
Right.
to watch him collapse like that, so I didn't see it live. I mean, I saw until the point he was collapsing. So मेरे लिए
Yes.
normal injury है. And then मैं ऊपर आ गया था. Then I get a message from Shavik. All of a sudden, guys, did you see what happened? And I'm like, क्या हुआ? इतना क्या है? Then I immediately see Denmark versus Finland. Match is suspended. I was like, what happened? I asked Shavik. So
Right.
the next reply is like, Eriksen collapsed on the field
Collapsed.
immediately.
And
then उसके बाद
the entire
it was very heartbreaking to watch.
Yeah.
For 3 hours after the match, also for 2 to 3 hours, we didn't know what was his condition.
yes.
He was stable या क्या कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा था.
Correct.
It was. What were you feeling that time? We all knew somewhere that it was cardiac arrest, but
Yeah.
you think it was very serious? कि भाई will he survive or not वाला?
I really thought it was about survival, because when I didn't see because when I saw the footage when he collapsed and then they turned him, I saw his tongue coming out like this, and I was like, that's serious.
Okay.
Like that happened. Like that is very serious, and I thought, okay, this something very bad happened on a football, and it was the third match of the Euros, like, and I was like, okay,
Yeah,
what
yeah,
the hell
yeah.
happened to this man? And I just went into and there was nothing coming out, like, even the news was very like, uh, after till 20 minutes, it
No
was
one was
like,
giving out information.
uh,
Yeah.
it's collapsed, and there is nothing about that. And I was like, okay, what happened? And then I didn't like the uske baad, yeah, the uske baad how UEFA told the people that you have to play the match again. That particular incident, I didn't like it too much because okay, because as a viewer also we got really shocked. Like, oh my god, like what happened? Like, let's not talk about football now. Let's not talk about winning or losing. Let's talk about a player who as a legend who got
Who was battling for life?
yeah, who collapsed, and this guy
Who
was
was
like,
battling for life?
and they were like, no, let's play the match, or we will give you 3-0 or something. I really didn't think that was good Euros ke liye. So
Fair.
as a respect towards that match, we didn't keep anything here. I know it's a small respect, like,
Yeah.
but as a respect, we were like,
Yes.
we didn't feel that that match was supposed prediction kuch kar sakte the or something like that. It was too
कर सकते थे हाँ यार.
traumatic for us.
Yes.
Uh,
But to be honest, ना मैं जितना match देखा, at least before Ericsson collapsed, Denmark had a lot of chances, but they didn't convert.
yeah,
जो
yeah,
Finland एक मारा है. And the
correct.
worst part was कि भाई उस दिन Denmark को I don't know what happened. Denmark also missed their penalty. That
Yeah,
too वो भी अच्छा player था. Pierre
right.
और Pierre अपना Tottenham के लिए खेलता है.
Yeah,
He also missed the penalty. I don't know. I really don't know if they were in a very good state of mind at that time or not, because Christian Eriksen is a very, very good player, and
very good
पूरा
player.
डेनमार्क का शान था वो
हाँ,
है. And
and
their morale
when it goes down, like
completely, they
your
lost
team
the
member,
morale.
you and it's not कि team पहले कुछ हो गया, like you that guy collapses on the ground, like playing the match, and
Ground
that
on the field, yeah.
on the field, and you see your teammate going like that, and that I usually, I think उसके बाद the match should have been suspended because it was not good for the morale to continue playing. I know even Ericsson said कि yeah, you have to play the match,
Continue will
continue the
play and
match
all,
and all,
but
but I didn't think that it was good,
maybe they,
the rules and all.
yeah, but can't say, maybe UEFA thought ki हाँ,
Yeah,
rules, the show must go on and all that stuff, yeah, whatever it is. But
yeah,
yeah, as a mark of respect, we did that. And guys, uh, you can also use the hashtag we will support Christian, and we are very happy. We are very, contented that ki bhai Ericsson is safe. He posted a
yes,
picture from the hospital.
yes,
So all our prayers are with
to
him.
him.
So you can use the hashtag we are with Ericsson, we are
Yes,
with Christian, or we are with Ericsson, whatever you want to. And please put it down in comments as your mark of support and
respect.
respect for Christian Eriksen.
Yeah,
Fantastic player. Yes. So please, we are with Christian. You can use that and you put it us in the comments, and you can show your mark of respect as
yeah.
support
Just
as
show
well.
your hearts or something. And from talking about hearts, let's talk
Exactly.
about the land which has a number of hearts. Russia. Let's talk about Belgium versus Russia. They did kneel down. They did kneel down. You saw that a controversy that they did.
No,
So
no, yeah,
usually,
yeah, yeah. For that,
yeah,
before that racism thing, no,
yeah. And Russian was like,
Russia
we
did
don't.
kneel down. No,
They were like, we don't know about this. We only kneel down in front of Putin, and Putin was not
yeah,
there
that's it. I
that
know.
time. So, and the result of that, they've lost 3-0. 3-0.
Yeah,
Literally,
Russia lost 3-0 by, yeah,
it's like,
3-0.
it was a very bad match. It was very bad match.
Yeah,
Then,
so Lukaku scored twice and Munier
yes,
scored once.
yeah,
So it was, honestly speaking, bhai, वो भी कुछ खास exciting match नहीं था. It was
it was
one-way traffic
too
only.
much
It was
one-sided,
Belgium
one-side
who
traffic match
dominated.
tha. It was like,
Ah,
and you know
bilkul.
which team dominated and
Exactly.
all, and that is nothing. Talking about nice matches, the next match was a pretty good one. England versus Croatia, like
Which one?
England versus
Arey,
Croatia, like how we anticipated that the
very
match
nice
will
one.
be. It was again, I don't know, like how, like this time the English players are not attacking too much; they're trying to defend. I'm like, they're like, what is happening with the English side? Like, particularly, they're trying to defend too much this time. And
They are
yeah,
controlling the pace. I mean,
yes,
English teams are usually they're like fought, बहुत pace ही
cut,
खेलते हैं.
yes,
Now they are like very calm.
yes,
Slowly they're taking time to build the momentum and
yeah.
then go for the attack.
And
You see the
also
goal
again,
also
lot
एकदम
of
आराम से
chances were
मस्त
missed.
time
Lot of
लेके they're doing
chances
it.
were missed. Lot of
Yeah,
chances
yeah,
were
yeah,
missed
yeah.
this match.
No doubt, no doubt.
Yeah,
But I wanted England to win. I was happy. I wanted to have their revenge for World Cup wala.
Yes.
and they won.
Yeah, they won.
So that is perfect.
That they won it for good, and it was a good match.
And
It was tight match. It was very tight, and they won it.
a
And it was
tight
a
match. Yeah, yeah.
1-0
Good
match.
football. Maza
Good
आया.
football.
For
मजा आया
viewers,
देख के. And then
ठीक
there
है.
was
No problem. अच्छा था.
yeah. And then there's अच्छा से याद है. Then there's one more match. Is Austria versus North Macedonia, which we really didn't care.
अरे यार ये.
Chill. We
Yeah.
will watch this.
We just Shavik just control C, control C,
And
control V.
yes,
बस
that
ये
is what
करते हैं for
that
this.
is what I did.
They didn't do anything.
It's like Austria, and Austria. But
He just said we all predicted Austria because to pronounce North Macedonia it took like 4
Time.
seconds extra. That is why in predictions also we said Austria.
Austria जो पहला है वो
So
करो.
that is why. हाँ. जो
Then,
पहला वो करो. And
yeah.
let's not talk much about that match, man. यार बस हो गया.
Because we did.
उसके बाद आया Netherlands versus Ukraine.
Ukraine. This
We
was a
didn't
good
see
match.
the match. Honestly, I didn't see the match.
Okay, it was a good match.
I mean, I was wanting Netherlands to win. Netherlands put up a decent performance. Not
Yeah, they
bad.
won.
अच्छा
Yeah,
था, ठीक है.
अच्छा मतलब कैसा था conflict बहुत मतलब it was a very they won it by 3-2. So it was a very close
Yeah.
encounter.
वो भी last में हाँ, it was a very close encounter.
Right.
So Netherlands showed कि मतलब you know what, we are a world class team. So we can still you remember
Yes.
they took away the match. Actually क्या हुआ था 58 minutes के अंदर Netherlands were leading 2-0.
Yes.
Then 75th minute में एक goal, 79th minute में एक goal, Ukraine 2-2.
2-2. And then in
फिर
85th minute Denzel Dumfries better 85th minute एक goal मारा. And
बस तो that was very nice कि मतलब
Yes.
last it goes till the wire and then that kind of एकदम रोमांचक हिंदी कमेंट्री में बोलता है एकदम रोमांचक मैच.
Because जब तक कोई रोमांचक मैच हुआ नहीं था मतलब ऐसा कुछ nail biting
तब
match
तक
which
कुछ
is
भी
like
नहीं था. It was all
yeah.
one side. नहीं था correct. It was either one sided या
Yes.
एकदम boring.
Which or else some nouns that we didn't care to read.
No. तो Netherlands Ukraine okay good. उसके बाद आया Scotland versus Czech Republic. We all said Czech and Czech जीता.
Yeah, and then we was
but this match.
Sorry.
Poland versus Slovakia. This match, bro, I had like so much of expectations and
I know even
it
Polish
turned out
people
to be such a exactly. I mean, I was thinking, bhai, what happened to Lewandowski? Bhai, 41 goals in
they
Bundesliga,
didn't allow
dude.
like I was seeing like again it was that Messi syndrome or the Ronaldo syndrome that which like usually the entire team depends upon that guy to do, and in the second half where they wanted to hit the goal they wanted to level they wanted to do that at 80 minutes ke baad they were trying very hard, like Poland was trying very hard, but you could see that they were not allowing. Slovakia was not allowing for like the attack was too like defending was
they
too much.
had 2 shots on target.
Yes.
मतलब बहुत तगड़ा डिफेंड कर रहा था अपना स्लोवाकिया. They won 2-1 and उसके ऊपर से Poland had a red card also. And Lewandowski को तो they were not giving him that breathing space.
Like literally they were
I was expecting fireworks from Leva.
There was fire, but I don't know.
मैं seriously बोलो ना, मैं ये मैच में Poland versus Slovakia के साथ में I was expecting Lewandowski to score at least twice.
Yes.
At least twice. And he was like मेरा golden boot winner के लिए highest goals in tournament के लिए I was rooting for Lewandowski. I mean I know we have Harry Kane, we have Gareth Bale है, we have Lukaku, we have a lot of good strikers in the squads in the teams. But I was thinking Lewandowski was phenomenal this season in Champions League in Bundesliga. मैं बोला साला भाई opening match में hug दिए हैं एकदम
बहुत मतलब और it was that pressure was seen मतलब बहुत ही उसके ऊपर प्रेशर था कि करो, अरे तुमको ही मानना है, तुमको ही करना है, तुमको ही को करना है, but बॉल ही नहीं मिल रहा था and
नहीं मिल रहा था बिल्कुल.
उसके साथ आया the first 0-0. It was 0-0? 0-0, right?
No. Poland versus Slovakia.
No. From the Slovakia match, from the Slovakia that win that they got. Let's come to the one more match which we thought will kill the
match. You're talking about
Spain
that. Yeah. 0-0.
Oh my
God. Sweden. Yeah, 0-0.
Like I'm like
that was
एक ने 2 बार
out
यूरो
of this entire first match day.
Yes. यूरो 2 बार जीता है. एक ने वर्ल्ड कप जीता है एंड फर्स्ट ड्रॉ ड्रॉ और हम
मतलब
स्पेनिश लीग को
भाई
सपोर्ट
अब क्या
करते
ही
हैं.
बताएं. हाँ, but you know, स्वीडन में Zlatan नहीं था या उनके
Yes,
main, they didn't have many
yes,
big
yes.
players like that. Spain always have had a good team, and in
Yeah,
spite of that, Spain was giving like a 0-0 draw was very
and I was
disappointing
like,
to me.
how could? And I was like, because the match was at 12:30, I was like, okay, the first half was cool. Oh, okay, okay. I was like, okay, okay, they will come back in second half. Like Spain will come back in second half, and it will not be 0-0. I didn't expect a draw to be like this.
At least मैं भी I was like 2-0,
कुछ
at
तो
least
करो.
1-1. भाई कुछ तो
So,
करो. But I
how
don't
could
know
you not?
what they
How
were
could you?
doing and
And
क्या
yeah,
sort था.
and I was disappointed with that match.
It
And
was such a horrible, horrible match, man. Seriously,
very
bro. Oh, horrible था. I was very wanted. I mean, Spain मतलब भाई थोड़ा तो domination दिखा देता.
थोड़ा
थोड़ा.
and तुम थे डोमिनेट.
अब
तुम तो स्वीडन से तो थे भाई. स्वीडन से तो डोमिनेटेड थे तुम. तो मतलब ऐसा मत करो यार. मतलब
अब
स्पेन.
क्या बोले.
What is this like?
But I really don't know what. Yeah, they should have done very, very. मतलब बहुत और बेहतरीन करना चाहिए था उनको.
Yeah,
They
like just
played
okay, just see.
it.
Shots on target for Spain was 17. Sorry, 5,
And
5,
5 they were on
5.
target. Shots
And
on target. Yeah, yeah.
and possession was 86%. 86% possession.
86%.
And then
And
pass
क्या किया
accuracy
86% के साथ?
कुछ नहीं हग दिए. Uh, and passes 917 passes.
90% passing accuracy.
And yeah, they're a good team because they're a good team. And I was like, dude, what the hell? And what the hell say? Let's from the hell, the group of death,
Let's go
literally
to
the
the
group
group
of
of
death
death,
matches
the group of
and
hell.
group of hell.
Yeah.
And I guess please somebody say this to Hungary that does if you the group of death doesn't mean that you really kill people. It's a metaphor
Kill
that it is
people. Exactly.
like
They
oh my god. Like did you watch that match? I was like, are you going to kill people
Yeah,
now?
I saw.
Oh, like
First half
my
तो ऐसे किया. First half
yes,
was very violent. Very,
very
very
violent.
violent.
Like my father, I guess this is too
Very
violent, right?
violent.
Like this is too. I can see them killing players right now. Like I have and like okay,
The
yeah.
fouls were like, oh my god.
Oh my god! And then in the first half there was one more turning point. Ronaldo misses a goal which is like a lollipop goal.
Yeah, yeah.
Like
In
I
first
could
half.
not, and I was
I
like,
know.
dude, and he was fed up. I was fed up because I like this is you this was a goal. This was a goal. You could have hitten a goal.
It matlab, even sleep, even if
Yes,
he'd woken up from sleep without warming up also, he would have scored that
he
lollipop.
scored. And
I
what
know he
was
missed
that?
that laddu.
उतना भाई I guess he has to stop the leg workout now because इतना ऊपर मत मारो तुम. तुम्हारा टच अगर तुम्हारा बॉल को इतना ऊपर लेके जा रहा है तो don't do leg
Yeah, yeah.
squats
It
and all.
was that
Don't do
little
this.
touch is also going to like
Touch
3 tires up in
three
the
times and then it's
stadium.
shit. And
Yeah,
like
I know.
you have iron legs dude. इतना भारी legs है तो कुछ भी करेगा तो उड़ जाएगा. तुम नेट के पास हो. And like but I could not really I really could not believe that Ronaldo missed it. And
Has
then उसके
missed
बाद
that chance. Yeah,
yeah
I
and then
agree. I
the match was
completely agree with you.
and the match was too tough and because again Hungary to be very frank the tactic was that kill people they did it till 85th minute and then they were like okay okay we have to lose energy now and then the first goal happened
Yeah, then
and then
they
a
gave
penalty
away that penalty.
and
Yeah,
even okay
that
yeah,
81st
penalty तो
minute
मुश्किल है.
goal. तो
Correct
पेनल्टी तो भैया अब रोनाल्डो मारेगा ही.
and
एंड
और
देन
एक गोल भी
फिर
मारा
उसको
था ऑफसाइड और एक गोल मारा था which was a very
इंजरी टाइम में
हाँ हाँ
क्लास
हाँ
गोल, गोलकीपर को यूं लेके जाके
बस
दैट्स व्हाट. ये भैया सिंपल लड्डू मारेगा नहीं, भाई को
नहीं नहीं
कॉम्प्लिकेट करके ही मारना
थोड़ा
है.
थोड़ा
बट यू नो
कॉम्प्लिकेट करना है.
व्हाट, as much as we are Messi fans and all, but we have to give credit where it is due. So भाई
Oh
रोनाल्डो 2 गोल मारा in Euros.
yeah
He's broken the record, dude.
yes yes
यूरोपियन
सबसे ज्यादा गोल्स यूरोस में.
टूर्नामेंट्स में ऐसा गोल्स कोई नहीं मार. He is, हाँ, यूरोस में
He's
he is
hmm,
just fantastic, dude. I mean,
I completely agree.
क्या ही
Like
बोले अभी, मतलब dude, this guy is 35. This guy is 35.
36.
And people were saying last year that 36 and they were saying कि भाई you know what
बुढ़ा हो
Ronaldo should
गया,
now
हो
retire,
गया,
Ronaldo should
हो
go
गया,
home.
रिटायर हो जाओ,
वो इटली में
retire.
है where it is slow.
हाँ, or go to
Retire
US.
and then
I guess it is time for him to go to वो MLS. वहाँ से
MLS, go to
soccer
MLS.
खेले जाके soccer खेलो,
Soccer.
soccer.
And
Hate that
dude,
word.
and then you see, ठीक है penalty तो भाई ये था, but the second goal also was classy man. That was
What was that?
class
What a
Ronaldo
dribble!
man.
What that the class, the composure at 90, like what,
Fantastic it was.
94th minute or something at that time.
Yeah,
Still having
93rd, 94th minute something.
in extra time
Still
having
fresh and
that
still presence
yes.
of mind. That is Ronaldo. So,
Uh,
but yeah, our prediction was good enough. So, मैं तेरे को in the
one more
last
match.
podcast, you
One more
remember I
match.
was telling
We have one more
which
prediction,
one?
which was the biggest.
No, in regard to
Oh, sorry. Yeah. On the prediction, we have one more match, which is France versus Germany.
yeah.
Yes.
I thought
But
it should be
Mbappe के two goals,
fireworks.
Mbappe के two goals were killer. But again, the offside rule, like which is they gave him offside, and yeah, and the goal that they eventually won with,
I
which
mean,
was a Germany's own goal.
own goal. Yeah, so their defender became their striker. उन्हीं के गोल में
और
he had
ऐसा
scored.
और बहुत
Salah.
अच्छी तरह मारा, मतलब it was not like Turkey वाला Turkey
हाँ,
का
वो
जो-
that was a proper striker
Yes.
finish.
yes,
हाँ,
it
वो it
was
was not like an error.
no,
It was not गलती नहीं था वो.
no, it was not a गलती, guys.
It was properly like midfielder gives pass to the striker और
Yes.
जैसा finish होता है
Yes,
वो किया था वो.
and
It
उसके बाद
was fantastic.
I was like, I guess jersey अलग पहन लिया क्या तूने, मतलब like
हाँ, exactly.
how could your leg
Exactly.
move towards the goal? How could your leg go like this? Like why did you kick it? Like why did you kick it?
Exactly. But उसके पहले before the goal started, dude, Pogba जो pass दिया, my God, man. Oh, super. And this is the problem, साला फ्रांस में जाके ऐसा आग लगा के खेलता है. मैन यूनाइटेड में साला 10 गेम में 2 गेम he'll do some nice crossword pass.
some nice cross, and then
बाकी
उसके
साला
बाद
भागेगा.
बस एक गोल में मैच कुछ मारेगा, मतलब आधा हाफ गोल से कहीं मार फाड़ आधे ग्राउंड से कुछ
मार
गोल मार
देगा
दिया,
किलोमीटर दूर से.
किलोमीटर
बस.
दूर, and then
बस.
everybody will be like Pogba और डांस करेगा कुछ आके
वो
Instagram
Pogba is
पे,
world class. Pogba is
Pogba is
player.
world class.
ये वो
Yeah.
ऐसा वैसा.
ऐसा कुछ, and then he was like
क्या
cool,
करें
that's it.
बताओ.
But yeah, that was
That's it.
pretty much our
So
predictions.
these
That
are yes, these are our predictions. So we'll predict the next week also, our next week's
Yes.
match days, and then we will see in our next podcast कि हम कैसे किए. So guys, if you are following us, anyone from England and all where betting is legal, yeah. So please
we had
follow our
a
predictions, and in
90%,
case you win.
almost 95% prediction score. Like so
Yeah, we had a very good record, so our odds were perfectly working fine. So I would strongly recommend and suggest, in case you're betting and you've used us as source, so please put the screenshot. Don't give us money, just tag us there and give us
tag us.
some thank you notes. We don't want your money,
you don't
just
want
tag
to
us there.
yeah, just
Okay,
tag,
so
थोड़ा
by
famous
next
कर दो
week
बस.
का predictions देखें.
Yes, let's talk about
बस
the
थोड़ा
next
सा
week
famous कर
predictions.
दो.
थोड़ा famous कर दो हमको. Let's
मतलब
talk
match
about
day 2. Yeah, so a
group
couple of
stage
matches
match
has
day.
already been over, guys, by
Yeah.
the time we are 2.
So the matches which are done, let's not talk about those. Let's talk about the matches which are going to happen now. There is okay, there is one match going which is currently like Denmark and Belgium. Denmark is on 1, Belgium is
Yeah,
on 2 goals.
so Denmark scored in the second minute, and
Yeah.
Belgium have come back in the second half, and
Yes.
they've scored 2 goals.
Yes, 2
And
goals.
Thorgan Hazard and Kevin De Bruyne have scored. So
Yeah.
today it was a very emotional moment for Denmark because they brought that Christian Eriksen shirt and stuff
Correct,
and all.
correct.
Okay,
correct.
no problem. That was
Let's-
one thing. So
Yeah.
yeah, let's see the predictions. Shavik bhai, bataiye
Yes.
sir.
So that okay, who do you think will win today? Like, do you think Denmark has a chance to win?
Which
Denmark
is the
versus
match?
Belgium. Sorry.
See, for Eriksen and all that thing, I think Denmark, if it is a 2-2 draw, I'll be happy.
Sure. So I think Denmark will win. Or
2-2 draw.
2-2 draw. Okay. Anil is telling draw.
You think
I am telling
seriously
Denmark
they'll
will
come
win.
back?
I think Denmark can come back, but again, it's 73 minutes, but I don't know.
It's
So-
just 15 minutes left.
Then the next match today is Netherlands versus Austria. Of course, Netherlands. There is no
Austria,
Austria.
of
Okay.
course, Netherlands. No
Yeah.
doubt, no doubt. 2-0 Netherlands. 2-0
2-0
Netherlands.
Netherlands. Okay.
I think.
I think it will be 1-0,
I think 2-0
3-0,
Netherlands.
1-0 ऐसा कुछ. Netherlands again. My support is Netherlands.
Netherlands.
Yeah. Let's
ठीक
talk
है,
about
डन. तो उसके बाद
Sweden
है
and
स्वीडन वर्सेस स्लोवाकिया.
yes. Who do you think will win? I
स्लोवाकिया.
think yeah. So the way they played last time, Slovakia should win. So our bets on Slovakia. Prediction, guys. Bets India में allow नहीं है.
I think I would say draw 1-1.
कौन सा? Croatia versus
I was about to say Sweden. नहीं, Sweden versus Slovakia. 1-1 draw.
1-1 draw. I think Slovakia will win. It will be a 1-0 or 2-0 kind of a win. Slovakia will win. So mine is win. Anil is a draw.
Okay.
Then let's talk about
Draw.
Croatia versus Czech Republic. Croatia.
क्रोएशिया. क्रोएशिया आराम से
आराम
कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.
England versus Scotland. Then we have England versus Scotland.
स्कॉटलैंड.
England.
आराम से. And I want Harry Kane to score now.
Yeah, Scotland say we just get nice managers. Scotland is
who become legends in England.
Yes, they become legends in England.
Yeah, Scotland is managers.
Yeah,
they become legends in England. Yeah, that's good. Then
if you get the reference,
Hungary versus France.
People, if you get the reference like Thoko, you will understand क्या reference है. हम लोग क्या reference.
Yeah, only the one who you like and comment in the comment section. Ki what was which great managers?
Who were the managers who were Scottish and they won lot of things in English Premier League.
Who became legends in England.
Bolo.
Socho.
Then it is Hungary versus France.
France, no doubt. This time I wanted to be convincing. It was not like that 1-0 win with Germany, not like that. I want like a proper 2-0 win, and I want Mbappe to score now.
Yeah, show them that you're champions. Yeah, France.
Exactly, dude. Show them that you're world. Show them that you're Pogba, Mbappe, Benzema, everybody. Yes, sir.
Then let's talk about Portugal versus Germany. There is 100% surety that only Portugal will win this match. They'll win by 2-0 or 3-0.
The way they played against Hungary. Yeah. I am also going for Portugal. And one more Ronaldo goal.
They will win by 2-0, 2-1, 3-1. ऐसा कुछ जीतेंगे वो लोग. Then let's talk about the last match of the week.
Portugal.
Yeah, Portugal. Let's talk about the last match. It is Spain versus Poland. Of course, Poland.
Poland. On a serious note also, bhai, I'm thinking Poland, bhai.
Poland, I guess.
See, at least Poland lost, but they scored a goal in their last match.
Yeah.
They scored
like right. भूलने गए वो लोग फुटबॉल. फुटबॉल नहीं भूल गए.
बिल्कुल. ये साला ये लोग क्या कर रहे हैं पता ही नहीं मेरे को.
I want the prediction to be wrong. I want this prediction to go wrong. I really wanted to go this prediction to go wrong. I want Spain to win, but all my heart and all the logic says that Poland will win. So I hope the prediction goes wrong in this match. But again, we have a 95% success rate. So yeah, we spoke about the predictions also. So yes, so that's it from our side.
Okay, Shavik, one more thing.
Yes, sorry.
No. One thing that we forgot to tell our viewers. So Italy won their second group match also 3-0. Very convincingly they won. So, and they have been the first team.
Convincing. Okay.
They are the first team who have now qualified for the round of 16.
Yes, a big round of applause for Italy. Hey.
Your favorite team. Dude, yeah, I was about to talk to you on this on the podcast. I forgot. I was saying France on paper, but France's performance has not been up to that mark, like what I was thinking. Okay. Of course, their first match was difficult, but still. But yeah, what you said about Italy, man, 2 matches में देखा. Both the matches 3-0.
3
attacking goals तगड़े.
Yes.
Nil or clean sheet.
Yes.
And qualifying already.
And difference. You can see a difference. Italy is not that defending Italy abhi. They're attacking too much. They are like, you can see a difference.
Attacking तो तगड़ा कर रहे हैं and defensive तो भैया always they were master class.
So
अब so,
and
but
कल if you want
अब
to talk
मेरे को
about
लग रहा
that,
है, you know what?
sorry.
Now I think I am starting to believe that Italy can go all the way. Even if France comes in their way, na, I think Italy can.
मेरा
By
तो
performance,
मेरा तो
Italy has been
था
very good.
भाई, मेरा तो था कि इटली जीतना है और जीतेगा. बट लेट्स सी, यू आर विथ फ्रांस. आई नो तुम्हारे मन
Let's
में
see.
थोड़ा आशंका
I'm
आ
with
गया है.
France, yeah.
बट अगेन फुटबॉल इट इज,
हाँ
वी
नहीं
कैन नॉट
मतलब
प्रेडिक्ट
भाई
इट.
परफॉर्मेंस देख के डर गया मैं.
व्हाट इज इट,
See,
3-0?
this is a team that hasn't played the World Cup.
Yes.
Both the matches 3-0.
Yes.
And no
Yeah.
one has scored a goal against that defense. Of course, भाई अब Italy
And also, okay, let's
क्या
not
ही बोले.
take away the credit. Let's be the devil's advocate also. टीम्स भी वो लोग बहुत तगड़े टीम्स के साथ नहीं खेले. टर्की एंड स्विट्जरलैंड के साथ खेले. आई गेस ग्रुप 16 में जब अच्छे टीम्स के साथ
But फिर
खेलेंगे
भी
वो
यार.
लोग, मतलब बट फिर भी the goals were good, everything was good.
See, no, even if they see अगर वो लोग अब 1-0 या 2-1 ऐसा कुछ जीत गए रहता था. अगर वो I know the teams are not up to Italy standards.
Right.
But that is what is expected from Italy. If it is not up to your standards, साला clobber them. मतलब ठोको उनको.
ठोको.
That is what they did, bro.
They did. And they played it very good.
I was like, wow.
God, man.
They were a complete team. Yeah. So, yeah, Shavik, you want to say something else about the matches or कुछ बचा है क्या?
और बचा नहीं है. Like yesterday's का, so you talk about Italy versus Switzerland. There was one more match, Turkey versus Wales, which was a good match. Turkey showed कि
जो
again
Wales
we are
जीता, हाँ.
butchers of football. They missed so many
Yes.
chances that even
Yeah.
Hindi commentators got angry. Like, अभी कितने और chances लेगा तू? Hit a goal. How many chances will you get? And like, I guess Turkey got too many chances to hit a goal last time, and I was really disappointed. Like,
Yeah,
okay,
and they didn't use any of them.
anything. Then
They
Finland
didn't use
versus
any.
रशिया था. रशिया का अच्छा गेम था. Like St. Petersburg में अच्छा मैच हुआ था.
हाँ, 1-0.
Russia
हाँ,
1-0.
हाँ.
It was a nice match. The nice comeback by Russia. Like they said, okay, let's have comeback. Today आज यूक्रेन वर्सेस नॉर्थ मैकेडोनिया हुआ. अच्छा मैच था. मैं सेकंड हाफ देखा थोड़ा.
2-1 जीता है ना यूक्रेन?
2-1.
अच्छा.
Yes. अच्छा मैच था. थोड़ा तगड़ा वगड़ा. अच्छा, it was a nice match. It was a nice European match to watch. And then the Belgium
Good.
match is happening
And
right
as
now.
it stands, it's 2-1 to Belgium.
Yes, and Belgium versus Denmark
Yeah.
is 1-2. So yeah, that's our prediction, guys. So that's it from our side from
Yes.
this week.
So,
Yes. So you want?
and please, if you've liked the video, like it, share it with your friends, share it with your football friends, and make your predictions. And please let us know your scores or your predictions. Could be anything, not just about the Euro matches, your Golden Boot winners or your strikers or
Yes.
किसी भी इसके लिए. Or please let us know in the comments and hashtag save the channel. And also, there's another hashtag. We are with Christian and we are with Ericsson. So we save. And please, guys. So my name is Anil. He is
My
Shavik.
name is
Together we are
Shovik. That's it.
SFC15. We will
Follow
come
us.
back with another
Our
video.
Instagram channels will be dropped in the comment, in the videos, or in the
Description.
the description or in the video. Follow us on Instagram. So yeah, that's it from our side for this week. So we will come with the next predictions next week. And yes, let's do this, guys. Thank you so much.
Have safe.
Have safe. Stay